DanHouse by KCONCEPT KOHARCHITECTS in Phan Thiet, Vietnam. DanHouse is a garden house located on the outskirts of the coastal city of Phan Thiet. Choosing a 273 square meters plot of land away from the center will give the family more living space and connection with the environment and family members. The architect team used 197 square meters of floor space, and the rest was used for the garden, with the advantage of a large, long, and spacious piece of land. The problem is that the house must be very airy, receiving wind and light in all directions. In addition, the spaces must have elements connected to the surrounding environment, but each member must be given privacy. We created 3 yards, front, middle, and back of the house. The front yard is for the garden and parking. In the middle of the house, they use a large courtyard to divide the common living area and the sleeping block. The last yard is a garden space and a place for the homeowner to practice yoga. The special thing is that the middle yard and backyard of the house are connected to each other, not interrupted, creating conditions for ventilation, and the garden seems to cover the entire sleeping block. Understanding the spirit, personality, and living values desired by the homeowner combined with the location's characteristics, we do not make the facade too ostentatious and heavy. It is simply a small gate next to a rolling door. Toto, followed by walls whose height gradually moves towards the back, where the true values are contained inside. The common living space is cleverly shielded by a wind cotton wall in front of the mattress hall to reduce heat and create privacy. The homeowner's guests will be truly surprised by the open space that extends to the maximum on both sides of the living room and kitchen. The overflowing lake also softens the living room space with a viewpoint connected by the courtyard in the middle of the house. The internal corridors in the house lead traffic into the 3 bedrooms without being boring and increasing privacy for each member. DanHouse seems to be connected to the outside world but is still safe and secure, hiding a secret space for the homeowner, ensuring quiet privacy, and recharging after a day of work. Guests entering this ecosystem must be truly close, distinguished guests with the same lifestyle. As the hostess puts it, it's a home resort.